In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Let's start with EMPORIA 1. To use voice typing, just click on this microphone at the bottom and start typing. In order to stop, you can stop talking or click on microphone icon. To go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. If you are using Gboard though, I need to change my keyboard real quick. You need to launch it and click on this microphone at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear one instead. Click on voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. After tapping on your microphone, click on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. If you want to stop, you can stop talking or click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!